Alright guys, so today, yes, this is being filmed on the same day I did the frame rails. We are going to be rust proofing the whole shell. The whole thing. It's a rust preventative. It can be rusty pre-applying. It will neutralize it and stop it from spreading. And it will stop rust from forming. So I'm going to start off inside the interior, and I'm going to be really picky. I'm going to actually cut all these brackets and get all the wires out. And I'm going to figure out what wires I actually need and what I don't, because I have deleted a bunch and I'm doing the engine swap, so I don't need a lot. Like this O2 sensor this plug isn't gonna work anymore. Don't have seatbelt, so that doesn't work. Don't have an antenna, so well, I do have it, but I'm not gonna run the antenna, so I can delete that. The heated window, I can delete that. So I'm gonna try and just pull it all up here for now, get it out of my way, and I'm not going to focus too much on here yet because I still need to order my roll bar because I fucked up and I bought the harness bar, but I'm going to be installing that and I don't want to rust proof beforehand, just like I did with this. I did it first and then I'm going to rust proof it, then fully install it. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting the brackets off for the wires and get it ready to paint. Okay, so I took the hood or trunk and gas thing off, tucked it back there, took the e-brake off, got the cables all hung over there, got the window switches, wires over there, got my e-brake out, and got this plastic thing off. Don't know what it's for, but took it off anyways. So now all the interior is ready for paint. I'm going to do that side real quick because I still haven't done it. But I'm going to get that one done real quick. Both sides I need to fill all the holes the old owner drilled to mount the seats. So I'm going to actually buy the seat brackets. That's the word I'm looking for. So I can mount my seats actually and adjust it so I can actually reach the pedals without straining my legs. Because if I got in an accident, it would not be good. So I'm going to fill the holes, get the other frame rail in real quick. Alright, so got the underbody coated. I got this coated with the first coat. I think I'm going to do a second coat, because that side I didn't get as much coverage because I was running out. And I needed to leave. But I was going to record, but I forgot to pick up the camera. And so it didn't film. So, my bad. I don't think I'm going to worry about undercoating the bottom with another layer, because I want to throw these on. And if I do want to coat it, I'll just tape those off. Hell, I might paint over them. I don't know. But for now, I just want to get the interior rust proofed, because I can always just go underneath and touch up the bottom. I don't want to take my whole interior apart just to rust proof or track down rust. So that's why I'm doing this now. But as soon as it dries, I'm going to throw frame rails back on and maybe put the carb back in. I don't know, because that side still needs a coat. But for now, I'm just going to let it dry. Got the heater on so it will dry. Don't know how much more I'm going to do get done before I have to go to work, so. Alright, so I don't remember if I filmed the finished product, but the frame rails I put in after I bedlined or rust proofed the underbody, and the interior looks pretty good. It's not finished being rust proofed because it needs another coat, and once I put the hard dog in, I need to do up here. But nice all black with the, I like the zinc plated hardware just showing. And I forgot if I filmed this or not, so I came out in sleeveless, no shoes on, without the heater on, and it's freezing just to get this clip. So I'm actually about to go edit this video, so like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like something, let me know, and I will try to fix it in the next video. Hope you enjoyed.